When we talk about foods that are almost 0 calories, we're diving into the world of nutrient-dense, low-calorie options that help us stay healthy and satisfied without overloading on calories. These foods are often rich in water, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them perfect for snacking or as part of a balanced diet. Here's a comprehensive guide to 40 such foods, with detailed explanations of their benefits and uses. 1. Celery. Celery is a classic low-calorie food, primarily made up of water. Its high fiber content supports digestion, and it's a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw, in salads, or as a crunchy snack with dips. Celery also contains antioxidants and electrolytes, which help reduce inflammation and support hydration. 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and refreshing, with a satisfying crunch. They are great in salads, sandwiches, or as a snack. The skin is packed with antioxidants, so eat it unpeeled for maximum benefits. Cucumbers are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and balance fluids in the body. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce varieties like romaine and iceberg are low-calorie and high in water content. They form the perfect base for salads and can also be used as wraps in place of tortillas. Additionally, lettuce provides small amounts of folate, a nutrient essential for cell repair and DNA production. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile squash that can be spiralized into noodles, grilled, or added to soups and stews. It's rich in vitamin C and low in calories. It also provides a mild, slightly sweet flavor and is an excellent source of antioxidants that promote healthy skin. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are juicy, flavorful, and loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. They're delicious raw, roasted, or in sauces. Tomatoes are also a natural source of vitamin K and potassium, which support bone and muscle health. 6. Radishes. Radishes add a peppery crunch to salads and snacks. They're rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, supporting immune health while being very low in calories. They also have natural detoxifying properties and can improve liver function. 7. Spinach. Spinach is nutrient-packed, containing iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. It's perfect in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Its antioxidants, such as lutein, also support eye health and help reduce oxidative stress. 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an incredibly versatile vegetable. Use it to make rice, pizza crust, or mash as a low-calorie substitute for higher-carb foods. It's also rich in choline, a nutrient that supports brain function and metabolism. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and folate. It's excellent steamed, roasted, or raw with dips. Sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli, may also help reduce the risk of certain cancers and promote heart health. 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a natural diuretic that supports kidney health. It's delicious grilled, roasted, or steamed with a squeeze of lemon. This vegetable is also a great source of prebiotics, which help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 11. Cabbage. Cabbage is great in soups, slaws, and stir-fries. It's low in calories but high in fiber and vitamin K, which supports bone health. Its antioxidants, such as sulforaphane, also help combat inflammation and may aid in cancer prevention. 12. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful, sweet, and full of vitamin C. They're perfect for snacking, roasting, or stuffing with healthy fillings. Red bell peppers, in particular, are high in beta-carotene, which promotes eye health and supports immune function. 13. Green beans. Green beans are a crunchy, fiber-rich vegetable. They're great steamed, sautéed, or added to casseroles and stir-fries. They also provide a good dose of vitamin K and manganese, essential for bone health and metabolism. 14. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low-calorie and packed with umami flavor. They're versatile for soups, stir-fries, or as a meat substitute in dishes like burgers. Certain varieties, like shiitake, contain compounds that support immune function and heart health. 15. Carrots. Carrots are slightly sweet and loaded with beta-carotene, which supports eye health. They're perfect raw, roasted, or in soups. Carrots also provide antioxidants that combat free radicals and promote healthy skin. 16. Onions. Onions add flavor to countless dishes and are rich in antioxidants. They're low in calories whether sautéed, roasted, or eaten raw. Onions also contain quercetin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and heart health benefits. 17. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful superfood with antimicrobial properties. It adds flavor to dishes while being virtually calorie-free in small amounts. Studies suggest garlic may help reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. 18. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It's perfect for salads, smoothies, or baked into chips. Kale is also high in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. 19. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber and vitamin C. Roast them for a crispy side dish or steam for a lighter option. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. 20. Eggplant. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that absorbs flavors well. It's excellent grilled, roasted, or as a base for dishes like ratatouille. Eggplants are also rich in niacin, an antioxidant that helps protect brain cells. 21. Watermelon. Watermelon is hydrating and sweet, making it a perfect low-calorie dessert. It's also rich in antioxidants like lycopene. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that supports heart health and may improve blood flow. 22. Strawberries. Strawberries are naturally sweet and rich in vitamin C. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt. Their high antioxidant content may also help reduce inflammation and improve skin health. 23. Blueberries. Blueberries are low in calories and high in antioxidants, supporting brain health. They're perfect as a snack or in oatmeal. Regular consumption of blueberries may also improve memory and reduce the risk of heart disease. 24. Raspberries. Raspberries are fiber-rich and slightly tart. They're great in desserts, salads, or as a topping for breakfast bowls. Their high levels of ellagic acid may protect against cell damage and support overall wellness. 25. Blackberries. Blackberries are another antioxidant-rich berry with a deep, sweet flavor. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or baked into healthy desserts. They're also a great source of manganese, which supports bone and skin health. 26. Apples. Apples are low-calorie and full of fiber, making them a satisfying snack. Keep the skin on for maximum nutrients. Apples also contain pectin, a type of fiber that promotes healthy digestion and gut bacteria. 27. Pears. Pears are sweet and hydrating. They're delicious raw, poached, or added to salads. Pears are also a good source of copper, which supports immune function and iron absorption. 28. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C and are a refreshing snack. Their natural sweetness makes them a great dessert alternative. Oranges also contain flavonoids that promote heart health and reduce inflammation. 29. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is slightly tart and very hydrating. It's known to support metabolism and is a great breakfast addition. Grapefruit also provides soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. 30. Lemons. Lemons are low in calories and add a burst of flavor to dishes and drinks. They're also a great source of vitamin C. Lemons may aid digestion and improve skin health due to their detoxifying properties. 31. Limes. Limes are similar to lemons, offering a tangy flavor and plenty of vitamin C. They're perfect for marinades and drinks. Limes also contain compounds that may promote collagen production and support skin health. 32. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that's sweet, hydrating, and low in calories. It's also rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. Pineapple may also help reduce inflammation and improve immune function. 33. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that supports digestion with its natural enzymes. It's delicious fresh or blended into smoothies. Papayas are also rich in vitamins A and E, which promote healthy skin and vision. 34. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is hydrating and sweet. It's a great low-calorie snack that's rich in vitamins A and C. This melon also contains potassium, which helps balance fluids and maintain healthy blood pressure. 35. Peaches. Peaches are sweet, juicy, and perfect for a low-calorie dessert or snack. They're also a good source of vitamin C. Peaches contain natural antioxidants that support skin health and may reduce inflammation. 36. Plums. Plums are slightly tart and hydrating. They're perfect for snacking or adding to fruit salads. Plums are also high in phenolic compounds that may improve bone health and reduce oxidative stress. 37. Cherries. Cherries are sweet and full of antioxidants. They're a great low-calorie treat or addition to desserts. Cherries also contain melatonin, which supports better sleep quality and reduces inflammation. 38. Beets. Beets are naturally sweet and rich in nutrients like folate. Roast them or add them raw to salads. Beets are also high in nitrates, which can improve blood flow and enhance physical performance. 39. Turnips. Turnips are low in calories and can be roasted, mashed, or added to soups for a hearty meal. They also contain glucosinolates, which have detoxifying properties and support liver health. 40. Parsley. Parsley is more than just a garnish. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. Use it to add flavor and nutrients to your meals. Parsley may also aid digestion and help reduce bloating. These 40 foods are not only low in calories but also packed with nutrients, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate them into your meals to enjoy delicious, guilt-free options that keep you satisfied and energized. Don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.